Welcome to week 5 of the Inner Peace course. Today we will be focusing on gratitude and reconciliation with our life's path. We all have good and bad life experiences, and of course we cannot meditate the challenging experiences away, and that is also not the point. The point is that we can shift our focus and keep seeing what is really good, because in every life journey, in every situation, we can still find the good. And to shift our focus to exactly that will be our practice for this week. It's about honoring our life's journey, which we all deserve. Gratitude has a very long tradition and countless ways to practice it. For our practice today, I suggest a gentle reflection on our life's journey. And by the way, if you're new to the course, you can of course practice all of the modules in this course individually and pick your own focus area, or you can do them in the order they do build on each other, but it's not necessary to follow all of them if you have a specific topic that you want to focus on for now. Please choose a comfortable place for yourself to sit now. My recommendation is to do this practice sitting. Of course, you can also lie down if it feels better for you at the moment. Let's start. Find a comfortable place for yourself now and take a deep breath in. Hold your breath for a moment and then slowly breathe out. Breathe it all out. Repeat 1 or 2 more times and use the small breathing exercise to fully come into this room in this moment now. The exercise we are doing today is about honoring our life's journey. We all take many steps, big or small, and they all have carried us to this point that we are in now. And of course, not all of our decisions may have played out in the way that we wanted. Today, we want to focus on those that have worked out very well, the wise steps that we did. Looking back, please reflect with a gentle view on yourself. Which qualities, which skills, and which abilities have brought you where you are today? Where did you show courage? Perseverance? Or warmth of heart, making your life and the life of others better? What makes you grateful for the person that you have become? Connect with your heart. Be gentle and kind and look upon your decisions and experiences that you want to thank yourself. If you are alone, please say it out loud. And please put all your love, kindness, and gratitude into that sentence. Truly acknowledge yourself for your life's journey. And then connect with your heart. Feel the gratitude in your heart center. And from the center of your heart, let it flow into your body. In every cell of your body. A lot of steps were necessary to bring you here. Let gratitude flow within your body. Honoring your path and thanking yourself for it. And trusting that everything is as it should be. And please choose to look again and again at all the good within yourself and in your life. And then slowly prepare to return to this room. Take a deep breath and move your body. Stretch if you like. Bring your awareness fully into the present moment. Be here. If you want to practice this topic for this week, my recommendation is to really honor your journey. Again and again, bring your awareness to the many good steps that you did, the many decisions that were made, and focus on what you are grateful for. Thank you very much for practicing with me, and I'll see you next week.